This old guy DIY video has to do with troubleshooting an LED navigation light for a pontoon boat. The other day I stopped to see a hot chick that I know, and when dusk came, she flipped on the switch and nothing happened as far as that LED light goes that's supposed to throw the white that can be seen for a couple miles, 360 degrees. So she asked me to take a look at it. These are the parts of the light assembly. So the light itself was only held on with 1/8 inch rivet through there, so I drilled that rivet out. And when I went to pull the wires out, I saw that this black one was disconnected. So I disassembled the entire light. When I flipped the assembly over, you can see where that black wire had been terminated, and it is no longer. So what I'm going to do now is replace it with a section of this wire. I'll get a solder iron and some solder, and I'll attach this wire in the place of these two wires, and I believe we'll be back in action. We'll see. It's not the most beautiful solder job in the history of solder jobs, but the LEDs kick on when I give it 12 volts. So I'll reassemble the light. As I'm reassembling the light, I tied a knot in the wire here. I'm going to tuck that up into the shaft, and then when I bring this bottom piece in and rivet it, in the future, if anybody ever pulls on this wire, they will not be able to pull that knot out and cause the head to disconnect again. So if there's a problem in the future, it'll be here on the bottom end where a guy can find it and fix it more easily. It took me about 20 minutes for this job. The light is reassembled. I'll just cut the wire here. I'll put some spade terminals on it to make it easy the next time she has to take it apart. We'll call this one a success. Thank you for watching.